Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on the euro currency. Situation here stands really tricky. It seems that on the market, actually that euro currency has no some inner direction. It just follows some external news, some external events without any built-in direction that usually stands on the market. So usually market is moving with some fundamental background. This comes from the economical factors, some statistics or something of that sort. But currently, by the fluctuations of the recent 3-4 sessions, seems that nothing that sort exists on the market right now. So that has started from the Powell comments on the Thursday. It has led to this rally. After that, before the G20 meeting, this was risk aversion here and it's collapsed. Soon as some positive news have appeared on the US-China tariff spiking, market has opened with a gap up after retracement continue move out higher. Recently it was the comments and situation with the inverse interest rate curve on the United States, and that has led to collapse because investors start to think about the recession in the United States, because as you know the inverse rate curve is the first bell of the possible slowdown on the economy and the following recession. So currently, at the eve of the non-farm payrolls release, investors do not want to do anything and just take some indecision and waiting position for statistics, and would not see here some significant action. So it's logical to suggest some possible downward continuation to the triangle pattern, but currently, as you can see, with this choppy and chaotic action, we do not see any clear patterns. The one pattern that we've got here is currently triple to sell, as we have mentioned in the beginning of the week on daily chart, but it also already has completed minimal target because 30% retracement already has happened and even more. Speaking purely on the technical background, I would say that, by my opinion, is that bearish factors looks strong currently. So let's take a look at the daily chart. In the daily, today we've got the bullish grabber that we have here, but the problem is that we do not have the same grabber on the dollar index. So this is our old grabbers that already have been done. I mean, this one and that one has been completed, but here we do not have any grabbers. That's why on the daily chart this grabber is not very reliable. Besides, as I said, for me, if we'll take a look at the longer term perspective and longer term price action here, price action mostly stands bearish, because this is not the way how normal bullish market should react on the support, especially after such strong rally up from it. So we have the strong rally up here, ABCD meaningful retracement, starting on the rally up again, but suddenly it has stopped, a strong collapse. Another attempt has failed. With this upward action, the market turns to flat action. Currently, guys, this price action reminds me the bearish dynamic pressure, and I mostly gravitate to suggestion that this downward action here is more probable with this ABCD pattern that I have talked about. Besides, as I said and remind you every time, don't forget about a weekly grabber on the weekly chart. It suggests the taking out of these lows. That's important. High time frames, when you do not see something on the lower time frames, you need to govern by the longer time frames. So, and actually you could trade with your trading plan what you would like to do. So for example, if you would like to possess yourself with this possible grabber and upward reversal, well, actually you could try to do this because this risk will be not very significant. But currently, guys, again, here I do not see some real valuable clear patterns. It's very chaotic price action here in recent few sessions. That's why by taking a look in the longer term charts on the daily, on the weekly, they mostly point on the downward continuation. That's why my opinion is that downward action here is more probable. But unfortunately, if you have missed the opportunity to take the short position here that we have talked about, this upward action, and based on the guidelist people to sell on the daily, currently, well, here we do not see clear continuation pattern. Only by using some retracement, maybe some selling against some retracement, some fib level, all that we have. But better it's to wait for some clear patterns for position taking or some meaningful events. For example, the breakout of the triangle. This will be very important, and good confirmation of the possible downward action. Because in this case, these lows will be taken out. These lows also probably will be taken out because the breakout traders will step in here, and that will mean something. That will clearly point on the fact of possible failure of this kind of the hand shoulders action. So that's what we see right now on euro currency.